Okay, I have a fun effect to share with you today, and what I thought I would do is show you a basic version, then an intermediate version, and then an advanced version. And if people want to see like an expert version in the future, I can do that as well. Okay, so what you need is you need 4 memorable pairs, and the spectator is free to choose these. Okay, now you can pick up these pairs in whatever order the spectator asks for. Okay, that'd be fine. Okay, so this is the basic routine. You just left-right deal the cards with random stacking decided by the spectator. Maybe they want left on right. Okay, at this point you fan them out and you have the spectator point to any card in the spread. So let's say they point to this one right here. So what you do is you cut the cards below it to the top, close up the packet, and then show them the identity of the bottom card. This is the card they need to remember. Okay, and then you turn it down. From here, all you do is the Australian down under. Okay, so how this works is down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. And then when you get to 2 cards remaining, you can gleefully reveal that you have found not only their card, but also its companion. Okay, whoa. Okay, so that is the basic routine. So let's do the intermediate one for fun here. Okay, so you begin in a similar way with 4 memorable pairs. Stack these according to what the spectator asks for. Okay, you deal them out into 2 piles. That random stacking decided by the spectator. Okay, now what's different is we're going to perform a Charlier shuffle. Okay, so I'll add a description in the description below. I'll add a link to the Charlier shuffle. Okay, so this is a very convincing little shuffle. It's actually equivalent to just cutting the cards at some location. Okay, and then you just fan them out as before. Have the spectator point to any card. Maybe they want this one right here. So that means cut all of the other ones to the top. Show them the bottom card. This is their card. This is the one they need to remember. Okay, and then just perform the down under like as before. Down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, until you get to the last ones. And of course, as we've seen already, this will be their card and its companion will be right there. In addition to that, you can set down these 2. And then if you just deal out the last 4, flip them over, you will have found all of the companion pairs. Okay, so that is the intermediate version. So let's do the advanced version. I think it just has like 1 or 2 more elements to it is all. Okay, so you begin in a very similar way. You can randomly stack these according to the spectator's request. Okay, and then you can deal these, of course, into 2 piles. Random stack here. Okay, and then you can do a Charlier shuffle. Or you could also have the spectator cut the cards at any location if you would like. But the Charlier shuffle really gives the appearance of mixing the cards thoroughly. Okay, spread out the cards for them to see. Have them point to a card. So maybe they point to this one right here, this one. So you cut all of the other cards to the top. Show them the bottom card. Okay, this is their special card. Okay, turn the cards over. Now here's a new element. It's called a Charlier 1, and I'll have a link in the description below. So it's essentially a Charlier shuffle in which you move just 1 card at a time. And technically it's equivalent to a 50% cutting of the cards in the case of an even number of cards like we have here. So how it works is you push the top card over, the bottom single card goes on top, top single card goes on the bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top. Okay, so that's called the Charlier 1. Okay, and then you can just go into the down under as before. Under, under, down, under, down, under, down. Now you have to kind of think about it here. So which card do you think will be theirs this time, if you actually want to like nail their card? Well, because we did that little 50% cut, instead of being the top one like it has been, it's going to be the bottom one here. Okay, so it should be that one, and then its companion is there just as before. Okay, and then you can set down those two. You can deal these two out into a pile and then reveal that you found all of the companion pairs perfectly. Okay, so anyway, this is a fun, quick little routine that will work for you. If you want to see more advanced versions of this, let me know, and I can add additional elements to it that make it look even more impossible. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.